In this video, we will show you how to unbox the VapCare device along with its accessories and consumables. A standard unit shipment of VapCare comes with 3 boxes. The first box contains the VapCare main control unit, a second box contains the consumables, and the third box contains the collection containers and lavage bottle. VapCare device unboxing. Open it to find the following components inside: the VapCare main control unit, a power cord, a sensing unit, and the collection container holder. Collection container unboxing. Open it to find the following: 3 autoclavable and reusable collection containers, and 1 autoclavable and reusable lavage bottle. Consumables unboxing. Open the consumables box to find the first contains the VC filter, 3 color-coded VC filter tubes. Second containing color-coded VC tubing and a lavage tube. And the third containing a VC lumen with a VC holder. In some bundles, the following optional consumables may also be provided: a suction tube, a suction catheter, and oral brush.